This is the Nerf gun biathlon. What you have to do is run 10 meters. I've marked it out in the box here, 10 meters, all the way up here, and then fire at a target here. You have to hit it 3 times. 3 times. If you miss, you have to keep going. I've got my supply of ammo here. Then you've done that 3 times. Then you run back all the way to the other end. I won't bother now. Come back here, hit the target 3 more times. You repeat that once more, and that's it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At each time, you've got to get 3. The fastest time, getting 15, wins.